Hi, friends. We are going to do our life then and life now sort. So you're going to have two different papers. You're going to have your life then and life now boxes, and then also your pictures that we're going to sort. So the first thing, let's cut out our life then and our life now boxes and glue them into our book. Now, you already started working on this book yesterday. Mrs. Newlands recorded a video for you. So we're going to cut out our life then and our life now boxes. So remember, I'm holding my scissors the right way. I'm cutting on the dotted line. I cut out life then. And now next, again, I'm going to cut on the dotted line using proper scissor holding. Cut out my life now box. Okay, friends, and as always, I'm going to put my scraps to the side so I can throw those away in just a little bit. Now I'm going to open up my book. I'm going to open right to the front here. Okay, and see how I'm going to glue that? I'm going to glue them right next to each other. So to put my glue stick up, and I'm going to remember I don't need a ton of glue, just enough to get it to stick in. So life then, oh no, and look at that, my glue stick came out. Life then, I'll put this one in, I'm going to try to push that back in. Life then, and life now. All right, friends, and I'm going to push that down and glue it in. All right. I'm going to turn it this way so that I can see it nicely. So life then, life now. Now, a good clue to remember when you're gluing these in, if you forget the words, we have then, th, and now, n. So then, now. Let's look at these pictures. We have shoes, two different kinds of shoes, an oven, a hat, a quill and paper, a fire, and they're cooking on the pot, a cell phone, a bonnet. So look at the difference between those hats. We have some jeans. Look at those pants. A car, a horse, a computer, and a teepee. So a place where you live. All right, friends. So what you can do when we're thinking about it, I want you to think in your brain. Is this something we use now? Or do you think it would be something that the Pilgrims and the Native Americans used then, so in the past? So when you're looking at things, think about, are these things that we see now and use all the time? Or do you think these would be things they used then in the past? Let's cut out the shoes to start and compare them. I'm going to get my shoes cut out. All right, friends, so let's look at these two pairs of shoes. So shoes with the buckles, or these shoes like tennis shoes, maybe like a pair of Converse or a pair of sneakers that you would wear. Now, I think these look more like shoes that we would wear now. I've seen people wear shoes like these now. So I'm going to glue these shoes under the now section. Now, I haven't really seen shoes like this with a buckle. So I'm going to glue this under the then section. I don't see people wearing these shoes to school every day. All right, so I'm going to glue that under then. So life then, life now. Now, my friends, you're going to do the rest on your own. So again, you're going to look at it and think, is this something that I might use, or mom, or dad, or do you think it's something you would use in the past? All right, friends, you're going to do your then and now sort, and then we will see you back here for writing time.